I'm about to put on the radiator on the TO-20, moved it forward a little bit so I'm in better light, and I noticed this. That is hydraulic fluid. And I'm not quite sure where it leaked from because I moved the damn thing forward. I didn't see any under there, under the other two plugs. So I'm guessing this came from either the differential plug or it's leaking out of the seal back here. I think there's a seal there. Damn. And there's a tiny bit there, but I'm not sure where that's coming from either. So I'm going to clean these two spots up, and then I'll get back to putting the radiator on this thing. Stay tuned. There's all my radiator stuff. I'll drag that out of there. And I got nuts and bolts in various places. Got a new chunk of hose. And where is that? And I have a new thermostat. I've never put one of these. You got to slide this in, and I guess the point goes towards the radiator. And then I got, no, that's not it. I got a new overflow hose. They don't make, well, as far as every place I've gone to, they don't make the overflow hose like the old one, the thin wall. This is like vacuum line or something like that. But I'll have to be able to squeeze that on there. Uh-oh. Ooh, I thought that was just like a C-shaped thing, but it's not. It's a full circle hose, whatchamacallit. So I need to slide my hose through that, which might not be easy. Little spritz of silicone, and let's see how we do. Yeah, I'm gonna guess, yep, the outside diameter is too big on this. Holy fuck. Boy, it just never fails. There's the two. I'm gonna have to search on the web and find something that's inside and outside diameter. And quit going to local stores and getting it. I'll have to take my caliper to it. Okay, well, there's our first failure of the day. Let's see what else we can come up with. I have my thermostat here. There's the number. It says it's for a Ford 2N, 8N, 9N. This is, very similar. So I need to get this in there. You see how far that one's in. They have it in, it's in there a good way. It's damn near center. I don't know how the hell to do that without damaging it. But I have some Vaseline would be a good thing, but let me see what I got. So I was looking around for my plumber's grease, which is just silicone grease, and I couldn't find it. So what I'm going to do is just use silicone. That should do it. I'm guessing Vaseline would work as well, but okay, here we go. Well, so far so good. See, that's where I'm going to run into my problem. I need something that's not going to damage the valve itself. Yeah, this fits the bill. Use a breaker bar. Oh, that's not hard at all. Good, good, good. Things going correctly. That's one in a row. Okay, so I guess I'm going to try to match. That's pretty damn close. Then this side goes towards the engine. Okay, let's put this puppy on. I'm reusing the hose clamps that were on here. This thing here catches the top of the radiator. I am drenched in sweat from taking a walk in the woods earlier, making a video about the giant walnut tree. You got to check that out. It is just humid as all get out right now. Now this hose is about a ½ inch longer than what was on there. So I may have to take this apart again. I don't know yet. All right, now I'm going to spritz the ends here with some silicone. Okay, if you've been following along, there are carriage bolts that fit into these, and I don't think I even checked those yet. So let's see. Okay, it fits. That's great. Yeah, they're still filthy. I haven't cleaned them out or anything. It's like somebody was using this in a field or something. Double checking, and the point is facing out towards the radiator. And you see how you do this. I believe you just drop it down on there, and then it allows you to swing it into the hose here. Yeah, that's how you do it. Okay, so what I need to do is drop this radiator down on top of there. Take one. There's a hell of an angle on this top hose. How in the hell? You must have to put it on the radiator first. You would think it would be more of a straight shot, but no, that would be too easy. Oh. I'm hitting my own hose clamp here. There we go. put it on pretty far because, like I said earlier, I got a 1/2 inch extra. Okay, that needs to come in. I got to pull that hose off and take that 1/2 inch off of there. Well, I cannot find a razor knife anywhere, but I could find a razor blade. So, got my hoses together, and about right there appears to be right. Oh, this cut's pretty easy. That'll do it. Try that again and make sure that I have the pointy end facing the radiator, and make sure that I have both of my clamps on. I don't know how many damn times I've gotten things all together and I realized I didn't have the clamps on. Okay. Okay. I mean, there's nothing that says these have to be perfectly level, but not being level is surely a sign that something is not right, because they weren't designed at an angle. That's for damn sure. You can hear the tin popping because the sun has come out in between rains. It's supposed to rain all day. I'll have to see what the temperature of the tin is. I have a thermometer right on the tin. It gets really, really hot. Oh, geez. Well, that was inconvenient. Slid right off. Apparently I didn't have it tight enough. Yeah, these are old clamps too. Maybe I should have replaced them because they don't have a nut end so that you can drive them with a ratchet. It's a screw end only, which I guess, I don't know. When you drive it with a ratchet, you always got the chance that you're going to over tighten it and cut the hose. So maybe not having the ratchet end is a little bit of idiot proofing, which I could use. Yeah, I don't know what the pressure gets up to in these. Much better. Okay, I had the thing all the way on, and I forgot about the little mounting rod here. I was dicking around with it trying to get it plumb again, and then I noticed the rod dangling there. So that is where it goes. Wherever this rod comes through, the mounting holes at the bottom are going to hold the bottom where it needs to be, so I don't have to worry about getting it plumb, just getting this on and the mounting bolts at the bottom. And I need to find a cotter pin for this. I think I tossed the old one. I got a whole bin full of new cotter pins. But now I need to get this tightened up again. There we go. You know what I forgot? The rubber shock mounts. I gotta take this off, put the rubber shock mounts on, and then put it back on. Holy freaking crap.